She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. Whatever. Okay, here's a story. You were probably thinking that that's a really good looking flower. It's not. It has been spent. It's ugly. It's disgusting. We want to get rid of it. So let's go over a couple little tips here on pruning 101 and deadheading those roses. Now, deadheading has nothing to do with some kind of rock band or anything like that. It's knowing that when a flower is spent, take a look at this sucker right here. So you got a beautiful flower that's coming up right here, and then this one is spent. You want to follow it all the way down to the bottom right here and just snip it off. And what'll happen is all the juices from this thing goes right up here, and it's going to make it nice and pretty. Now, here's the hard part and all this kind of stuff, deciding when you want to really get rid of it. Now, if you look at this flower right here, you can already see it starting to brown out on you, and it's opening up. I don't like that look, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow it down to a leaflet. This whole thing is called a leaf. This is called a leaflet, and we're going to prune it right above the leaflet. And this little thing right here is history. Get rid of it. So we're going to continue this whole process for this whole thing, and what it's going to do, it's going to take and it's going to rejuvenate the plant so that you get more buds like this and flowers to open up. Now this one right here, this is marginal. Check this one out. This is marginal. This is on its way out. Now, I think it's pretty. I think it should stay for about another maybe 2 days, and then it'll start browning out. In fact, it'll start looking like this one right here, really quick. This one and this one, see? This one is beginning to be spent, and this one is absolutely perfect. And the stench on these things are just outrageous. Another spent one here. I'm gonna get rid of that. Yeah, history. Now, these are fine, these are fine, these are fine. This one right here, another one, very marginal. If we want to take and keep this or not, I don't know. I think this one we can save for one more day. What do you think about that? And then here we have another color rose. And look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? It's nice, it's tight, it's gonna open. It's very fragrant, but yet its cousin over here, that's gone. I don't know why people like that kind of stuff. It doesn't do any good. You just take it off and then you snip it, and it's pretty much just that simple.